Hello and welcome to today's video. Anne and I are glad that you have joined us. Yes, Fatima the camel and I are glad to see you here today. Today we are going to take a look at Boxycharm for the month of March 2023. This is what I am referring to as the last original Boxycharm base box. As many of you are probably aware, Boxycharm and Ipsy did merge some time back. I think it was 2020 in the fall. And over time, I think we've gotten a few Ipsy products in our Boxy boxes, and I think people that get Ipsy get a few vice versa. Anyway, I am calling this the last original Boxycharm base box because starting in April, it will be known as Boxycharm by Ipsy. So, without me continuing to yak, let's jump in and see what came in the March box. Yes, let's hurry up. The suspense is killing me. This was my choice item. It is from Il Maquillage, and apparently this is a brand that is new to Boxycharm. And it is a mascara in black, of course. And right now, I'm just going to hang on to it. I'm going to take a look at what other mascaras come in this month and then decide which ones I will keep and which ones will go into the Find a Future Home box. Fatima is holding our next product. This is from Aceology. This is a set of biodegradable facial masks, hyaluronic acid intense repairing biodegradable masks. This mega hydrating mask replenishes your skin and renews your complexion. And I am excited to get to try these. Next up from Viro, we have a rice face cleansing sorbet. And it does come with a little scoop to help get out the right amount. And we are excited to try this. I did take a little sniff at the product, and it has a nice lightly perfumed scent, not overly perfumed. And again, it's a cleanser, so you're washing it off. It's not like you're asking me to wear this all day because I'm not big on scented items, yet the scent on this one does not seem overpowering. This next item is from Toy Factory. It is a smart gloss in the shade Calabasas Glaze. I'm going to leave it packaged up. I have an awful lot of lip product. To be exact, I have an entire drawer full that I haven't gotten to yet. So most likely this is going to wind up in the box for Finding a Future Home. It looks like it is a nice neutral shade, and hopefully this is not blinding people, but that's what the shade apparently looks like. Nice and neutral. Yes, nice and neutral. Next up from Goods and Lala, we have a bronzer. And although at the moment this looks a little bit dark, I think I will get more use of it once we get to summertime and my skin gets out in the sun, if the sun ever decides to come out again. I was trying to figure out what shade this is in. On the back, if I can flip this over without making a mess. On the back, it says Ibiza. I'm wondering if that is the shade or not. I couldn't find any other indication of a shade. But I do look forward to giving this one a try. I think my two favorite items from this month's box are these Aceology facial masks and the facial cleanser. Leave me a comment down below. What items did you see in this box that tickled your fancy? So now getting down to the nitty-gritty of things. You mean the pricing? I mean the pricing. The Il Maquillage mascara has a suggested retail of $27. The Aceology set of facial masks has a suggested retail of $59, and I believe there are 4 masks in that package. The Biro Rice Cleansing Sorbet has a suggested retail of $48. The Give Them La La Bronzer has a suggested retail of $26. And the Toy Factory Smart Gloss has a suggested retail of $35. This box was version 12, for those of you that keep track of that information. I forgot to weigh the thing, but I will say it was a hefty box. I think because the facial rice-based cleanser comes in a glass container, so that gave it a little bit of, should we say, heft. The overall retail for my box was $195, so I can't complain about that. And this box is $28 and about 30 cents. That's including the tax on there. There is a $2 handling fee, so with the free shipping, I'm all in at $30 and change. So I feel like from a monetary standpoint, I got a good return on my investment. I also feel from a usable standpoint, I got a good return on my investment, as well as a couple of items that will probably be shared with others, which is perfectly fine with me. We like to share. So starting in April, just for a heads up, as I said earlier, most of you are probably aware of this. We're going to be called Boxycharm by Ipsy. We're going to get 5 full-sized items, and we get to pick 3 of them. So this ought to be interesting to see what our choices are like. I'll be honest, my fear is that our choices are going to be limited to mascara, eyeliner, and perfume. I could be wrong. I hope I am. I hope that things move forward in a positive, happy for everybody manner. Do I expect to have everything in every box be something that I like? Certainly not. But hopefully things will move along in a good, positive manner. So if you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing so you can find out what I get in my next box, because that's the big question. And like, comment below, share with your friends, all that good stuff. And we do hope to see you again in another video. Yes, we hope to see you again. Thanks for watching today. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.